Welcome back. Now we are going to fix the Slug. So we have the Slug input field on this form where we need it to be generated automatically from the job title. So once we type the job title, then we have the Slug, but the spaces will be replaced by the dash symbol. And we're going to do that using a JQuery script. Before we do that, we need to make sure that the job title and the Slug input field have the ID attribute. First, let's add the ID attribute on those two fields. So on the create view, add the ID attribute on the job title input field. So ID job title. Also for the Slug. So ID Slug. Let's do the same on the edit view. So the edit view will have a form for editing a specified resource. So let's also add that. So ID job title. Also the same for the Slug. ID save. Now the next step, let's add that jQuery script on the app, which can be found on the layouts. So remember, this app is extending to every view we have on the dashboard. So if we go to the create, for example, you'll see here layouts.app. So at the bottom, we're going to add that jQuery script immediately below the body. So scripts. So we're going to create a variable which will store to that ID, which is job title. Job title, and I'm going to use a jQuery event method called keyUp. So that means as I type the job title, the Slug will be created automatically. But you're free to use any other jQuery event method, like on key press, on blur, on key down. So I'm going to use on key up. So key up. So we're going to replace that value with lowercase. So convert it to lowercase. And then remove the spaces between them. Also, we're going to store a variable for the Slug on that Slug ID. That is the ID attribute. Save. Let's see from the browser. I'm going to refresh. So as I try to type the title, you can see nothing is happening. So let's go back to the app and remove this thing called defer. So make sure you check out for this js.js js.app. So that means is what we can find on the public directory js app.js. So remove this defer and save, go back, refresh. So let's try again. So as you can see now, as I type the title, the Slug is generated automatically. But as you can see, it is not replacing the spaces with that dash symbol. So let's fix that. So here now, replace. So let's see, refresh. So try to type the title and you'll see now it is being replaced. Those spaces are replaced by that dash symbol. So this is a title, as you can see. So let's finish up that code. Save. Let's try again now, refresh. So I think we should move the Slug immediately after job title. So let's move that input field. So we have this Slug, move it. You can hold down Control. Yeah, it should be there. Save. Let's see, refresh. So as I try to type the job title, this is another job title. So as you can see, it's not typing. I think we have a problem on that code. Yeah, here. Save, replace, refresh, sorry. So now try to type. This is a title for the job post. So as you can see, the Slug is being generated automatically as I type the title. So let's post that. So job type, part-time, salary. So I'm going to copy this. So save. So as you can see here, we have that. This is a title. Try to edit again. And you'll see here our Slug. So everything is working fine. And I'll see you in the next lecture.